Hi, welcome to this video tutorial about Neobox. What will I show you in this video is about how to register in Neobox and how to make money with it. So ready na? Simulan na natin. First, all you have to do is click on this Neobox banner. So click lang and it will open in a new tab. And ito na mismo yung registration page where you will have to put your information details. First is to choose your username, and then password, and then confirm your password, and then your email address, your business email address. Okay, there, and then AlertPay PayPal email address. Yung ginamit yung yung email na ginamit nyo nung nag-register kayo sa PayPal. Yun yung ilalagay dito. And then birth year. Wala namang walang age restriction dito sa Neobox. And then copy the verification code. Ito, yung verification code. Verification captcha. And then check the checkbox. Tapos hit continue. When you hit continue in the next page, there will be a new set of instructions na kailangan yung sundin. And that is to copy the verification code na na-send sa email address nyo. Yung dito, yung nilagay yung email address dito, may mapupunta doon na verification code and you have to copy it and paste it on the next page. Yun. So, in the next video below, I will be showing you how to make money with Neobox. So see you in the next video.